In this video, we're going to go over some probability by using the Monty Hall problem that we did in class as an example. The way it's typically stated is behind two doors there are goats, and behind another door there's a car. Presumably, you want to win the car. You get to pick one door, so pick one door, and then after you've picked, the host, then knowing what's behind all the doors, opens one. And it's guaranteed that the one he opens does not contain a prize, because he knows which ones have the goat and which ones have the car. Opens a door. And he has full knowledge. So with full knowledge. Now, since when you're picking, you don't know. So you're equally likely to pick this door, as this door, as this door. So what happens is after you pick, you have, there are three possible worlds that could happen, right? You could pick, that's the first door with the goat, so we'll mark, let's say goat, car. You could pick this one. What could happen next is goat, that's G, goat, car. You could pick this one, be in this world, or you could get goat, car, or you could be in this world, right? So there's a one-third chance in which you've picked the car and a two-thirds chance that you've picked the goat. But here is the catch. Now Monty, the host, opens one door that he knows does not contain the prize. So if you're in this world, he'll never open this door. If you're in this world, he'll never open this door. And if you're in this world, he'll open one of the other two randomly. So now we ask, do you switch? Well, in this situation, he effectively removes this door. So what we're left with is goat, car. In this world, he also removes the other goat door. What we're left with is goat, car. And what we're left with here is goat, car. And what you have picked in each world, in this iteration of reality, you're here. In this iteration of reality, you're here. And only in one of the three have you actually won the car. So he asks you, would you like to switch? You, not knowing where you are, you're equally likely to be here as you are to be here, as you are to be here. You now have to decide whether to switch. Well, in two of three possible outcomes, the car is the only door that remains. It's the door that remains that you have not picked. In the other one, it's the goat. So in 2 out of 3 situations, it is better to switch, because you could have landed on any one of these doors, but only in one possible situation does the other door contain a goat, because he knows. So the key is Monty knows. But notice that unless you switch, your chances of winning are always still a third, because you've fixed this already. So it's given that you've picked this, then what's the probability you win if you switch? So we see 3 iterations of reality, and in 2 of them it is beneficial to switch, and that's why you want to switch. That's why the probability that you win if you switch is 2/3 and not a half, because in 2/3 of the worlds, switching gets you the car. I hope this short explanation cleared things up.